My name is Mikaela Boley, and I'm a horticulture educator with the University of Maryland Extension Service. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate some different methods and techniques for cleaning collected seed. Now, these methods can be used for both cultivated garden types as well as collecting seed from native plants. It should be noted, however, that this is only useful in processing dry seed heads as opposed to wet and fleshy fruits such as tomatoes. So let's get started. First, you'll want to have your material already threshed or manipulated so that major pieces, like stems or whole leaves, are already removed. Threshing or thrashing is the physical separation of seed from the rest of the plant, using machinery or other physical means. What you have left after this process is the material that you will sieve and winnow. These two methods help clean the seeds, remove chaff material, which is the papery byproduct, and inert pieces of plant that are not seeds. Because chaff material is so light, we use a combination of both winnowing and sieving to remove it from the viable seed. You can use metal sieves or framed mesh to initially separate the seed from bigger plant pieces. You'll want to use a size mesh that is big enough to allow the seeds to drop into the container, but not so big that everything falls through. Winnowing uses the movement of air to blow the lightweight chaff material away while the heavier seeds drop into a bucket below. It involves careful pouring techniques, and I recommend using a multi-speed stationary fan to provide consistent air movement. For this example, I used 2 buckets placed on a vinyl tablecloth and a box fan that is cheap and stationary. You may have to pour several times or alternate between winnowing and sieving to achieve the desired results. The cleaned seed is in the first bucket, but if you notice too many seeds in the second bucket for chaff, you may have to repeat the process or adjust your technique.